Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to add a custom HTML code to your Wix website? This tutorial will show you how to insert HTML code into your site for custom functionalities in design. Let's add HTML code to your Wix website today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go ahead and open wix.com. After that, you will open the dashboard, go to your site, and then make sure to log into your site by clicking on select site. In here, you have to go to the dashboard and click on edit site, which is going to be in the top of this page. Then they will take you to the page builder. That's very good. Now we are on the track. Now to add HTML code in your Wix, it's pretty easy, almost very easy. Let me show you how. So the first thing you have to do is basically to decide where you want to put it. So it could be in your already created section or in a freshly new section. Let's say, for example, that we want to create it in a fresh section. What I'm gonna do, this one is because it's much easier, so I can show you exactly how to use it. So add section, and simply just choose a blank section. You could of course choose whatever template you want. Just so we can make it as clear as possible in this video, we are going to go with a blank section that has 0 colors in it. So I'm going to change the background color to be white, and there we go. Now let's close this, and now the next thing is to add the HTML code. Now HTML code is basically called, whenever you go to like Wix or basically WordPress, Squarespace, whatever, it's called embedded code. So what you have to do, go to element, add element right here, scroll down, you will find embed code. In this embed code you will find embed HTML. Click on this plus icon so you can create it. Now you will need an HTML code. To do so, well, what I'm gonna do is basically open, for example, ChatGPT. So here it is. Now what I'm gonna do is to write it down here. So I'm gonna write type give me a script about food nutrition in HTML with calories and protein and everything that is important. And as you can see, we simply have now to wait a little bit, and the ChatGPT is going to give us a code in HTML about a specific thing that we mentioned. Of course, guys, you can write it or ask it to give you whatever you want, or you can write your own HTML code and paste it right there. Since I'm not good with coding that much, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to give me a code that I can paste it. So there we go. I'm gonna wait a little bit, and I'm gonna be able to actually use it. So here, calories, nutrition info, we simply have to wait, fats, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins. So this is perfect. We simply have to wait a little bit longer until it finishes everything, and we will be almost good to go. So this is it. We can copy it, go back to our site, and paste it in this area. And basically just like that, click on update. Now we should wait a little bit, and as you can see, it is here. Now as you can notice, it doesn't have enough space to be shown. So the first thing is I'm gonna grab this a little bit to the bottom, and then I'm gonna drag this like that so it can show us everything in detail. Let's drag it something like that, and yeah, this is looking pretty good. So here we go, and we can drag it even larger. Alright, that's perfect. So here we have food nutrition information that has been created by ChatGPT in HTML. For example, here apple, calories, protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, same thing for everything in here. Also, just as a side information, guys, you can add CSS with HTML. So we can go back here, add a good styling CSS to the code, and that's what's gonna give us basically a better version of this table. So meanwhile it's being created, I'm gonna create a new section, and I'm gonna make it a blank section, And basically I'm gonna add another one that I'm going to make it white. So this is just like a separation between them both, so we can notice like the difference between a normal HTML code and basically something with CSS. So let me just go here, drag it all the way down, close this, add embed code. Where is it? Here it is. Add site, and here we can paste it. So what I'm gonna do is just drag it here, go back to my ChatGPT, and it's still making it. So we simply have to wait a couple of few seconds more, and once it is done, basically you will notice that there will be very much difference. So you can see here, these are like basically a couple of CSS, but now after I ask it for a better CSS, they will give us colors, they will give us a lot of things that will be much more different than it was being at the beginning. So let me just copy the code and let me just go here, paste it, and update. Look what will happen. So you already can see the colors. There we go. Here we are. And let's just put it all the way down to the bottom. So as you can see here. What did I do? Oh my bad. Something is selected. Can we unselect it somehow? Oh, here we go. We can drag it to the top. And this can be dragged all the way down. And there you go. So now we have a better version of this table with colors, with stuff. Of course, we could make it look much better, but this is just something simple that I have asked ChatGPT to give us. So you could even ask it for more, but in general, the goal of this video was not ChatGPT and how to make it give us code, but it was how to embed an HTML code inside of our Wix website, which we have achieved successfully. So there it is. You can also ask it to give you, for example, a login page, but the login page, of course, will not work since it needs PHP to be connected with your database and a lot of things. So the HTML and CSS is the only thing that you could do with it, like creating a couple of things, creating like a table, making a couple of easy things that doesn't really need any data. But otherwise, it's pretty good. It's gonna work for you seamlessly without any problems. So you just have to make sure that everything is correctly done, everything is written correctly. That's the information that ChatGPT has employed inside of your thing that you have asked it for it, and yeah, you will be good to go. So that was pretty much it, guys. Just a few quick recap. Go to plus button, embed code, embed HTML, choose exactly what you want it to be, and paste your code in the code zone. Click on update, and just like that, your code will be showing on your site. So thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions, make sure to mention them in the comment down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.